The people at Back to the Roots sent me a trial offer for their product. It's basically a grow-in-box type of planter. For this one, I chose the organic mushroom kit. Let's take a look inside. First, we have some instructions. This is the Mushroom Grow Discovery Kit. In this book, it tells us how to operate this box, how to open it, and how to prepare it to grow the mushrooms. First, we got to remove the kit's lid. Cut an X into the substrate box. Scrape them away. Give them a bath. And find them a cozy home, preferably near a window. First, we're going to give them light. I'm going to remove this purple in front here. We're going to cut an X into the bag. Having the right tool for the job is very important. Okay. Then we're going to scrape them away with the flaps. Scratch the surface. Then we're going to give them a bath. So we take this out of the box. And we place it face down in a bowl of water. So it says to leave it in the water for 6 to 10 hours. We'll leave it overnight and we'll come back to it. I'll see you then. Alright, so it's the next day and I've soaked this thing overnight and it's ready to go into the box to start growing. What they say is to take this and shake out the excess water. I've already done that for you. And then put it back in the box. Just like this. And then we'll close this box back up. Like this. Pull these flaps in. Pull that flap in. Tuck it in. Now you've got a handle. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it in front of a window. It says to put it facing away from the window so that there's some light, but not direct sunlight. They also give you this bottle to spray it with just to water it down a little bit. There's some great instructions inside. This book will walk you right through everything you need to know. And that's it. I'll come back to you in a few weeks when we have some growth. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell button down bottom to get notifications whenever we post some new videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.